Welcome back to Infinite Infotainment. Today we're diving into a topic that could change the way you see the world, literally. Imagine a future where your vision remains sharp and clear, free from the looming threats of cataracts and glaucoma. Sounds incredible, right? Well, it's entirely possible, and we're here to show you how. As we age, our eyes become more susceptible to various conditions that can impair our vision. Two of the most common eye disorders are cataracts and glaucoma. A cataract is a clouding of the eye's natural lens, while glaucoma is a group of eye diseases that can damage the optic nerve, leading to vision loss and blindness. These conditions can significantly impact our quality of life, making everyday activities challenging and reducing our independence. Our eyes are one of our most precious assets, allowing us to navigate the world around us and appreciate its beauty. Maintaining good eye health is not only essential for our physical well-being, but also for our mental and emotional health. Poor vision can lead to increased anxiety, depression, and social isolation, making it crucial to prioritize eye care from an early age. To maintain our eye health and prevent or delay the onset of these conditions, it's crucial to adopt a proactive approach. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to do this is through our diet and the beverages we consume. Our diet plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health, including the health of our eyes. Certain nutrients, such as vitamin C and E, zinc, lutein, and zeaxanthin, have been shown to have protective effects against eye diseases like cataracts and glaucoma. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, which is a major contributing factor to the development of cataracts. Vitamin E, another antioxidant, has been found to protect the cells of the eye from damage caused by free radicals and may also help prevent age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Zinc is essential for the proper function of enzymes involved in the metabolism of the eye's lens, and a deficiency in this mineral has been linked to an increased risk of cataracts. Lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids found in various fruits and vegetables, are concentrated in the macula, the part of the eye responsible for central vision. These nutrients act as natural sunscreens, protecting the eyes from harmful blue light and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. By consuming a diet rich in these essential nutrients, we can provide our eyes with the building blocks they need to maintain optimal health and function. Antioxidants play a vital role in protecting our eyes from the damaging effects of free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to cellular damage and inflammation, which are major contributing factors to the development of cataracts and glaucoma. Antioxidants are compounds that can neutralize free radicals and prevent or reduce the damage they cause to our cells, including those in the eyes. Many of the drinks we'll explore in this video are rich in antioxidants such as polyphenols, flavonoids, and carotenoids, which can help protect our eyes from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of cataracts and glaucoma. By incorporating antioxidant-rich drinks into our daily routine, we can provide our eyes with an extra layer of protection against the damaging effects of free radicals and other environmental stressors. Drink number 8, tomato juice. Tomatoes are a rich source of lycopene, a powerful carotenoid antioxidant that has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including protecting the eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation. Lycopene is particularly effective at neutralizing free radicals and reducing the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, also known as AMD. Studies have suggested that individuals with higher levels of lycopene in their diets have a lower risk of developing these eye conditions. Drinking tomato juice is an easy and convenient way to increase your intake of lycopene and other beneficial nutrients for your eyes. To enhance the absorption of lycopene, you can add a drizzle of olive oil or avocado to your tomato juice, as this nutrient is better absorbed when consumed with a source of healthy fats. Drink number 7, spinach smoothie. Spinach is a nutrient-dense leafy green that is packed with eye-protecting compounds including lutein and zeaxanthin. These two carotenoids are concentrated in the macula, the part of the eye responsible for central vision, and act as natural sunscreens, protecting the eyes from harmful blue light and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration, or AMD, and cataracts. Incorporating spinach into your diet through a smoothie is an excellent way to boost your intake of these essential nutrients. To make a delicious and eye-friendly spinach smoothie, blend together fresh spinach leaves, a banana, almond milk, and a handful of blueberries or strawberries. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in spinach, combined with the vitamin C and other beneficial nutrients in the fruits and almond milk, Create a powerful eye-protecting drink that can help maintain your vision and reduce the risk of cataracts and glaucoma. Drink number 6, Blueberry Smoothie. Blueberries are a rich source of anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid that gives these little berries their vibrant blue color. Anthocyanins are potent antioxidants that can help protect the eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are major contributing factors to the development of cataracts and glaucoma. In addition to their antioxidant properties, blueberries are also a good source of vitamin C, fiber, and other beneficial nutrients that can support overall eye health. To enjoy the eye-protecting benefits of blueberries, try making a delicious blueberry smoothie by blending together fresh or frozen blueberries, Greek yogurt or almond milk, a banana, and a handful of spinach or kale. This nutrient-packed smoothie not only tastes great but also provides a powerful combination of antioxidants and essential nutrients for maintaining healthy vision. Drink number 5, Almond Milk. Almond milk is a dairy-free alternative that is rich in vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that can help protect the eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation. Vitamin E has been shown to play a crucial role in maintaining the health of the eye's lens and retina, and may also help prevent the development of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, often referred to as AMD. In addition to vitamin E, almond milk is also a good source of other beneficial nutrients for eye health, such as zinc, which is essential for the proper function of enzymes involved in the metabolism of the eye's lens. To enjoy the eye-friendly benefits of almond milk, you can use it as a base for smoothies or simply drink it on its own. You can also add a splash of almond milk to your coffee or tea for an extra nutritional boost. Drink number 4, Carrot Juice. Carrots are a rich source of beta-carotene, a carotenoid that the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining good vision and eye health, as it helps protect the cornea, the clear front part of the eye, and supports the function of the retina, the light-sensitive tissue at the back of the eye. Drinking carrot juice is an easy and delicious way to increase your intake of beta-carotene and other beneficial nutrients for your eyes. In addition to beta-carotene, carrot juice is also rich in vitamin C and E, both of which are powerful antioxidants that can help protect the eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation. To enjoy the eye-friendly benefits of carrot juice, aim to drink 8 to 12 ounces per day. You can also add other vegetables, such as spinach or kale, to boost the nutrient content of your carrot juice. Drink number 3, Orange Juice. Orange juice is a vitamin C powerhouse, with 1 cup providing over 100% of the recommended daily intake of this essential nutrient. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that can help protect the eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 major contributing factors to the development of cataracts and glaucoma. In addition to its antioxidant properties, vitamin C also plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of the eye's blood vessels, which is important for preventing glaucoma. Adequate vitamin C intake has been linked to a reduced risk of developing this condition. Drink number 2, Green Tea. Green tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly a group of polyphenols called catechins. One of the most abundant and potent catechins in green tea is epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, which has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including protecting the eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation. Studies have suggested that the antioxidants in green tea may help prevent or delay the development of cataracts by reducing the oxidation of proteins in the eye's lens. Additionally, green tea has been found to have a protective effect against glaucoma by improving blood flow to the optic nerve and reducing intraocular pressure, a major risk factor for the condition. To reap the benefits of green tea for your eye health, aim to consume 2 to 3 cups per day. You can enjoy it hot or cold, and even add a squeeze of lemon or a touch of honey for extra flavor. Drink number 1, Water. While not a traditional drink in the sense of a beverage, water is essential for maintaining overall health, including the health of our eyes. Proper hydration is crucial for the proper function of the eye's various structures, including the cornea, lens, and retina. Dehydration can lead to dry eyes, which can cause discomfort, irritation, and even vision problems if left untreated. Additionally, adequate water intake can help flush out toxins and waste products from the body, reducing the risk of inflammation and oxidative stress, which are major contributing factors to the development of cataracts and glaucoma. To ensure proper hydration, aim to drink at least 8 cups or 64 ounces of water per day. You can also increase your water intake by consuming water-rich foods, such as cucumbers, tomatoes, and watermelon. While incorporating eye-friendly drinks into your daily routine is an excellent way to support your vision and reduce the risk of cataracts and glaucoma, there are other lifestyle changes you can make to further protect your eyesight. Quit smoking. Smoking is a major risk factor for many eye diseases including cataracts, glaucoma, and age-related macular degeneration, or AMD. Quitting smoking can significantly reduce your risk of developing these conditions and improve your overall eye health. Wear sunglasses. Prolonged exposure to ultraviolet radiation from the sun can increase the risk of cataracts and other eye problems. Wearing sunglasses with UV protection can help shield your eyes from harmful UV rays and reduce your risk of vision-related issues. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can improve blood circulation, including the blood flow to the eyes, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision. Exercise has also been shown to reduce the risk of developing conditions like glaucoma and diabetic retinopathy. Manage chronic conditions. Certain chronic conditions such as diabetes and high blood pressure can increase the risk of eye diseases like cataracts, glaucoma, and diabetic retinopathy. Properly managing these conditions through diet, exercise, and medication, if necessary, can help protect your eyesight. Get regular eye exams. Regular eye exams are crucial for detecting and monitoring any vision-related issues early on. Early detection and treatment can often prevent or slow the progression of eye diseases like cataracts and glaucoma, helping to preserve your vision for years to come. By incorporating the 8 eye-friendly drinks we've discussed in this video, green tea, carrot juice, spinach smoothies, orange juice, blueberry smoothies, tomato juice, almond milk, and water into your daily routine, you can provide your eyes with a powerful defense against cataracts and glaucoma. These drinks are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and other beneficial compounds that can help protect your eyes from oxidative stress, inflammation, and other factors that contribute to the development of these vision-impairing conditions. Remember, protecting your eyesight is a lifelong journey, and small changes in your diet and lifestyle can have a significant impact on your eye health. Start incorporating these eye-friendly drinks into your daily routine today, and take the first step towards preserving your vision for years to come. Don't wait until it's too late. Take action now, and start protecting your precious eyesight with these 8 vital drinks. Prevention, they say, is better than cure. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Infinite Infotainment for more valuable content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.